In this video I'm going to show you how you can make Nightbot make dad jokes in your chat. My name is Trui and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Trui. The first thing we want to do is go to nightbot.tv and log in. This can be with your Twitch or your YouTube channel. Go to the left side and click on Commands and then Custom. On the top right we see Add Command. Click on that. And what we do is we call the command !dadjoke. And then the message, it's kind of complicated because it's an AP. We kind of just want to copy paste. Boom. You can also type it over, but I would recommend going down in the description and just copy it and then paste it in your bot. User level everybody for me. I like if everybody can make the dad jokes, but if you want only regulars or only subscribers or only your moderators to be able to do it, you need to change this to whatever you want it to be on. Then the cooldown, make sure to make it a little bit of a cooldown because otherwise your community might, they might spam it. At least my community would if I wouldn't put a cooldown on this, so. Alias, we're gonna keep that clear. If you want to make a second command, you can basically copy this command, but we don't have to copy this for now, so we will leave this as it is. And then click on submit. What we do now is we go to our channel. I'm gonna go to my Dutch channel. I stream there every Monday and Wednesday in Dutch, so if you're Dutch, come take a look there as well. And then we go to our chat. Then right here we do !mod Nightbot. This will make it a moderator. This means that it can now do a lot more than a normal user, and this makes sure that you might not run into trouble with your bots posting links and stuff like that. They won't get banned. That would be awkward if your own bot gets banned, you know? And then we can do !dadjoke. Boom. And then it will appear in the chat. It takes a little bit because it's an AP and it needs to actually go to their servers to give you the response. But it will work. There we go. I went to the store to pick up 8 cans of Sprite. When I got home, I realized I'd only picked 7 up. See, dad jokes, but they work. If you want to learn more about Nightbot, I have a ton more videos about it, so hop into this playlist with me and I will see you there.